Ever found the perfect clip or image for a project, only to realize it's ruined by a watermark or low resolution? We've all been there. Most free online tools either blur the area into a muddy mess, leave you stuck at low quality, or charge a monthly subscription. Let's start with a standard scenario. A simple shot of a couple with a watermark in the corner. To get started, click the Browse Media File button and find your file. Then, select the Process True HD 4K button. Now, just draw a square around the watermark. Let's compare the before and after. Notice how the tool identifies the underlying texture and reconstructs it frame by frame. It's not just painting over the logo, it's analyzing the motion vectors to ensure the fill matches the surrounding skin tones and background perfectly, all while boosting the resolution. Now, let's look at another example. Here is a basic watermark on a different background. Again, you just browse for your file, select True HD 4K, and draw your square. Let's compare the results. Watch how the tool handles the cleanup and the 4K HD upscale. It's fast, clean, and leaves the original footage looking professional. But now, let's look at the kicker I mentioned earlier. Watch this watermark. It's sitting right on the edge of two completely different colors. This is a nightmare for most algorithms because they don't know how to handle the color bleed at the boundary. Let's compare the results. Because my tool uses a specific spatial awareness algorithm, it keeps that boundary edge sharp with zero blur, no ghosting, and no smudge effect. It's completely seamless in full 4K HD. This is exactly why I built the Premiere Studio Suite. I wanted an offline, privacy-first tool that actually delivers professional results without the cloud subscription model. It is completely downloadable and free. Just click the link in the description, type in 0, or enter any amount you would like to pay if you feel like donating to the channel. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next video where I'll show you how to build your own offline voiceover script reader for free. I believe that as creators, we should have total control over our own tools and voice, and I can't wait to share this with you. Hit the bell so you're notified the second it drops.